Shukor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka sorkar jela ha kasi thoding kalapan benapat ba iki kendon batmai ban pen I iki kerteng ne ki nembot ha ki motor vehicle regulation arhaja apun riu ya kani lapha lingba uskatri na katna transport ka sorkar jela UDD sangma IAS ha ka jingbit bena ka sorkar kalabatha ba omsha ya kanu ka kali ban Pyndonkam iki kerteng ne ki nembot ki bapen I katna sorkar ne ka kerdan officer klem ka jingbit na katna transport Henry onsha tangi ki kali Kiba katna transport ka ai Jingbit kini kilong Governor of Meghalaya, Lok Bhavan, Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, Cabinet Ministers, Chief Justice, High Court of Meghalaya, Judges and Registrar, Jonka High Court, District and Session Judges, Chief Judicial Magistrates, Special Courts, Speaker, Deputy Speaker, Member of Parliament, Member of Legislative Assembly, Chief Executive Member, Deputy Chief Executive Member, Chairman, Deputy Chairman of ADC, Chief Secretary, Additional Chief Secretary, Director General of Police, Principal of Chief Conservators of Forests and Head of Forest Force, Deputy Commissioners, Superintendent of Police, Additional Deputy Commissioner, Additional Superintendent of Police, Deputy Superintendent of Police, Kilonghe ka Constitutional Authority, but ka Central Statutory Bodies, Kilonghe ka Central and State Government Statutories Body, ki Chancellor, Registrar ka Central but ka State Government Universities. Shushu labatha banum Pyndonkam banta iki yet yong numbu iki siren but kiwe de lamaham ru ye kino ki bapen kala nakapor shakapor ya kiniki an